Welcome to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Gisha na makutsumela phakathi.
Welcome back to Party Slayers. We say The Rock. At The Rock, ngithi kuyarock ne. Mara manje nginabubhuti bami bayi-2. Into engifuna ukubabuza yena, kumnandi The Rock?
Yeah, kumnandi kakhulu.
Kumnandi la?
Yeah, too much.
Nibambile.
Yeah, I'm still trying, you know.
You still trying?
Yeah, I'm still trying because I think I have like 20 minutes. Yeah, I have to.
Wena usazama or ubambile uzeki?
Sasama ngifikile la.
Okay, so manihamba e-groove ne. Take a girl home. You guys nayisebenzisa i-condom or nenza nje kanjani?
Sometimes, yeah.
Nayisebenzisa wena i-condom?
Yeah, mina for sure ngiyasebenzisa. Uyabona ukuthi mhlambe umuntu mangamthembi vele
Yeah.
ngiyasebenzisa.
Okay, i-reason yakho ukuthi ubani ukuthi hayi uyabona lo namhlanje ngimthembi yini?
For sure, like you know,
Usukubonani ukuthi lo angimthembi lo?
for the first time angeke vele
Oh, alright, for the first time. Yeah. Guys, i-raw asiyenzi. Mawuthola umuntu e-groove, always use protection. Condom first. This is Party Slayers with La Push. I'm with my brothers. Mati, sebenzisani i-condom. Like, subscribe, comment on Party Slayers.